Hey there friends, come sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Big and small, they're all so cool. Hop on board the alphabet school. A, B, C, come and see. Sing it loud and dance with me. X, Y, Z, oh what fun. The alphabet song for everyone. Astronaut, floating so high. B is for butterflies up in the sky. C is for castle, tall and grand. D is for dolphins that splash on the sand. E is for elephants, big and strong. F is for fireflies glowing at dawn. Guitar, strum that sound. H is for hip-hop, jump all around. A, B, C, come and see. Sing it loud and dance with me. X, Y, Z, oh what fun. The alphabet song for everyone. I is for insects that buzz in the air. J is for jackrabbit, hopping with flair. K is for kangaroos, bouncing along. L is for ladders that help us climb strong. M is for moon that glows in the night. N is for noodles, a yummy delight. O is for ocean, for parrots that talk just like you. Q is for quizzes to test what we know. R is for rainbows after the snow. S is for superstars shining so bright. T is for trains chugging all through the night. U is for umbrellas when raindrops fall. Volcanoes, mighty and tall. W is for whales that swim far and free. X is for xylophones playing a beat. Y is for yo-yos spinning so fast. Z is for zebras that run really fast. A, B, C, now we know. Letters help our knowledge grow. Sing again and dance with me. Let's go back to